guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, take a look around. In all my other videos, I'm a Southern cook, but I don't limit myself to that. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we got a couple of things going on. I'm going to be reviewing, first off, this is not a paid sponsorship. I bought this myself, and these are my own opinions. But I'm going to be reviewing this Hunt's Meatloaf Starter. And then we're going to be cooking crispy onion potatoes. And all you're going to need for the crispy onion potatoes are olive oil, some onion soup mix, and some potatoes. So I'm going to get off here, and Tony's going to peel, and I'm going to cut up these potatoes, and we will be back and talk to you in a few. Okay. Now all you're going to need, like as I said, I did about 6 Yukon Gold potatoes. They said russet, but I'm using Yukon Gold because that's what I had. And 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. And just 1 packet of the onion soup mix. I've got me a pan lined with foil that I did spray with cooking spray. And all you're wanting to do is just toss these till they're all coated really good. Throw them out on the pan. And you're going to bake them uncovered for about 20 to 25 minutes till they're pork tender. Then we'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Everything is done. Let's discuss this Hunt's Savory Meatloaf Starter. First off, you have to go to hunts.com for the recipe. Why can't they put it on the can? It tells you the steps to do, but not how much and whatever. Okay, second of all, they want you to use 2 pounds of ground sirloin. Ground sirloin here is $7.99 a pound. I don't think so. That is not gonna happen. So yeah, I use regular ground beef. I don't know about it. It's falling apart. I let it sit, but it all depends on taste. It also said didn't ask for onions in it, which I've never had a meatloaf without onions, but hey, I'll let you know in the description box what it tastes like. Alright, now let's go over to these French onion, these crispy potatoes. Now they are crispy, but seems like most of the stuff fell off. But I did salt and pepper them too. So I'm going to pick the plate up. I don't want that onion stuff. Sorry. Your choice on this. Like I said, I'll let you know what it tastes like. It's totally up to you, but I'm not using ground sirloin. That's way too expensive. That's not in my budget. Oh, crap. I put... Yeah, I don't know about all this. Then I got some butter beans. I know these are good. So, there it is. You've got your Hunt's Meatloaf Starter, my crispy onion potatoes, and my butter beans. So, I will let y'all know what everything tastes like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Comment below and give me a big thumbs up. Please share it out on your social media and help my channel grow. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
supper's ready.
Supper's ready, y'all.